Hi there guys and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you my $1,800/euros gaming/editing PC. I will unbox all of the parts for you and also tell you why I made the specific choices. Let's start with the motherboard. I have here the MSI X99S SLI Crate Edition. My first choice was the Asus X99A motherboard, but then I found this one on sale for €209, so I decided to give up on the USB 3.1 that was available on the Asus and instead went with this board. Let's take a look at what we get inside the box. First we have the motherboard. An SLI bridge, 6 SATA cables, the I/O backplate, connectors for power, reset and LEDs, CD with software, user's guide, and a quick installation guide. Next we have the CPU. I took a long time deciding whether to go with the X99 platform or the freshly released Skylake and the Z170 chipset. Finally I decided that I could take advantage of the extra cores that the X99 platform offers and went with the entry-level 5820K, which I plan on overclocking to match the 6700K speeds. It costed €400. Inside the box, just the installation instructions and the CPU itself. For storage, I went with just a 250 gig Samsung 850 EVO SSD for now. I plan on getting another SSD to use as a scratch disk and a regular hard disk drive for storing data. This came at €83. Inside we have the SSD, installation guide, warranty and the software CD. I always recommend going to the manufacturer's website for getting the latest drivers for your hardware. For CPU cooling, I went with the Corsair H100i GTX. This is an all-in-one liquid cooling system which came at €129. It has two 120 fans. Inside the box we get the quick start guide and the warranty, the two 120mm fans, screws, standoffs and backplates for both Intel and AMD, and the Corsair link cable. This is the cooler and the radiator themselves. Next up we have the RAM. Here I went with a kit of Corsair Dominator Platinum made out of 2 sticks of 8 gigs each, for a total of 16 gigs. These run at 2666 MHz. I plan on adding another 16 gig in the near future. I went with this RAM because it was only €10 more expensive than the cheapest 16 gig kit I could find. It came at €109. Inside you only get the 2 sticks of memory. For the power supply I decided to go fully modular and reliable, so I went with the Corsair RM750i. For 139 euros this comes with all Japanese capacitors, 80 plus gold certification, and the fan does not start spinning until it reaches 300 watts of output. Let's open it up. We have the manual, the warranty, the power cord, screws, some zip ties and a very nice Corsair logo. The power supply comes in a nice pouch. And the bag with the cables. One 24-pin cable, one 8-pin cable, two 6+2 pin cables, each with 2 outputs, two SATA power cables, each with 4 outputs, 2 Molex, I think they are called, cables with 3 and 4 outputs, 2 floppy drive adapters, a Corsair link cable, and a micro USB cable. The reason why I went with the 750 watts of power, which might seem a bit overkill, is because I plan on getting a second graphics card in the future for SLI. Last but not least, the graphics card. Here it is, the Asus GeForce GTX 970 Strix OC edition that came at 350 euros. This version has the ability of running completely quiet under small loads. Inside the box we have another box installation guide, CD with software, some leaflets, and the Strix logo. And this is the card itself. The case that will house all of this is the NZXT H440. This was chosen for the simple fact that I love how it looks. I found it for 140 euros. Thanks for watching guys, and feel free to hit that like, share and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed it. Until next time, take care!